Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter. The chapter name is Light in the Night. Okay. In the previous video lesson we have done the question answer of this chapter and we have completed question answer from 1 to question number 5. Okay. So now in this video we will continue from question number 6 to question number 9. Okay. So let's begin. Now first question is, how many people are employed to light the lamps today? So the question is what? Means how many people were employed? Means how many people were given job of what? Which type of job? Of lighting the lamps in the streets. Okay. So as you know, how many people were employed? 5 people were employed. How many people? 5 people were employed to light the lamps in the street. Okay. So now question number 7. What were some of the unpleasant aspects of the early lamps? As you know, in 1700 people were using oil lamp. Which type of lamp? Oil lamp. Because at that time people were not using gas lamp, neither they were using electric lamp. So the only option which they were having to use was oil lamp. Okay. So now the question is that why it was unpleasant, means why it was not good for the people to use oil lamp for providing light in the street. So the question you have understand properly. So what is the question? Means why it was unpleasant, right, to use which type of lamp? To use oil lamp. So let's begin. Now the early oil lamps were not very pleasant. Okay. So the early oil lamps were not very pleasant, means they were not very good. Why they were not very good? Because the oil was smelly. Oil was smelly means the oil which was in the oil lamp, it smelled very badly. It gives us a foul smell, a bad smell. Okay. Dripped means small drops of the any liquid. Means, is it clear to all of you? Means small drops of any liquid. Dripped you can say that means the oil was dripping. Dripping means क्या होता है? चूना, चूता था. And needed a lot of care. Means we have to take a lot of care while doing this. Means whenever we are lighting a oil lamp, we have to be very careful while lighting the oil lamp. Okay. Because when we are changing the oil, we have to take care that while changing the oil should be kept properly. Okay. Wick and so on. Wick I have told you, the cotton thread, means वो जो बत्ती होती थी जिसको हम burn करते थे. Okay. Despite all that, there were still instances of the oil dripping onto people's hats and bonnet. Okay. As you know, people were doing their work in a very careful manner, right, with lot of caution. But then too, there were so many instances that the oil was dripping. Oil was what? Dripping. Dripping means small drops of liquid was falling. Where it was falling? Onto the people hat. Means people were going in the street, so it may be possible that the oil dripped, the oil fall onto the what? Onto the people hat and to the bonnet. Okay. So this was the answer. All of you have understand it properly. That is the reason that it was unpleasant for them to use which type of lamp? To use oil lamp. Okay. Now, come to question number 8. What was dangerous about the gas lamps that were introduced in 1800? Okay. So the now question is what? Question is that why it was dangerous to use gas lamp. Means what was the possibilities of using a gas lamp which was introduced in 1800. Means what was the difficulties which people were facing while using a gas lamp. Okay, and when the gas lamp was introduced? It was introduced in 1800. After the introduction of gas lamp, people were not using which type of lamp? People were not using oil lamp. Okay. So, the gas lamp that were introduced in 1800. So, when gas lamps were introduced? Gas lamps were introduced in 1800. Now, it was easier to manage them in comparison to oil lamp. Means if we compare gas lamp with oil lamp, so it was easy, right? It was easy to manage it. Means to burn a gas lamp was a easy task rather than a oil lamp. Because if we have to light a oil lamp, we have to change the oil, we have to trim the wick, right? We have to take lot of care while lighting a oil lamp. But when we talk about gas lamp, it was very easy to light a gas lamp. Okay. Now, but once in a while they would blow up. Means the most important problem, the most important issue with the gas lamp was that it gets easily blowed up. Means बहुत जल्दी से क्या हो जाता था? वो बुझ जाता था. Okay? Now, come to question number 9. What powers modern street lamp? Okay, powers means what was the source through which street lamp were providing light in the street. Okay, so the modern street lamp are powered by electricity. Means modern means nowadays street lamps are what? They are powered with what? With the electricity. Means through electricity street lamps are burning in the street. Okay. Now, this is your homework. You have to write down. First of all, you will write down the heading, that is question working with words. What you have to do here? Use adjectives with these nouns. What you have to do? You have to use adjective with these noun. Okay. Now, here lamp. Lamp is what? Lamp is a noun. And gas. Gas is what? Adjective, because it is telling us which type of lamp. Oil lamp, gas lamp, electricity lamp. Which type of lamp? Gas lamp. So gas is what? Adjective. Second one is tall ladder. Ladder is what? Again, ladder is a noun. Okay. But we are talking about which type of ladder? We are talking about tall ladder. Means the ladder is what? It is tall. So again we are telling some more information about ladder. So that is what? That is tall. Tall is what? Tall is adjective. Third one, clean streets. So again street is means, street is what? Street is a noun. Now we are giving some more information about the street, that the street is what? Street is clean. So clean is what? Adjective. Fourth one, hard work. Work is what? Noun. So now how we are doing that work? We are doing hard work. So hard is what? Hard is Adjective. Fifth one, developed city. City is what? Noun. And developed is what? Adjective. Because we are talking about developed city. Means how the city is? City is developed. It is having all the facilities, all the proper measures, right? Next, light, red, light. So, light is what? Light is noun. And red is what? Red is adjective, because it is giving us more information about light. Means which type of light it is? It is of red light. Okay? So, this is your homework. You have to do your homework. And this is your class work. You have to do this. Okay? Write down the name of the chapter. Then write down all these questions. Okay? Hope you have understand the lesson properly. Thank you.